Hello and welcome to VFD Academy. This video will talk about parameter comparison on Siemens drives and how to compare two offline projects using Starter Software by Siemens. We'll also compare two axes on the same project and modify the printing option, modify and print the result for future use. The prerequisite here is to have a basic knowledge of Siemens drives and basic knowledge of Starter Software. Thank you for watching. So the first thing we'll do is to compare two different offline projects. You should have this window as a default window when you'll first open the Starter Software. So to open a project, click Project, Open. So I created two different projects for this video, Project A and Project B. I used G120 for this example. So you open Project A, for example. You go to the object comparison here. And then as you can see, open object from the open project. So if you have like multiple access here, we'll show it from the same project or from save project. In my case, because I want to compare with other projects, Project B. So I just click on the from save project. I go open Project B. And then you start the comparison. So you can see here, done the comparison. I'll show you the functional model for functional parameter. Structural parameter, this parameter, the one that they have index on them, so they have 0, 1, like motor data set or drive data set. Loading parameter is a parameter that will be loaded to the drive if you load the offline project to the online project, which is the most important parameter for most engineers. Units is the units on the two different projects, Project A and Project B. For example, one in the horsepower and the other one in kilowatt. So if you click on the, obviously like non-equal mean that the parameter on both sides are not the same. So if you click on loading parameter, we'll scan the parameter for you. I'll show you the result here. So to modify the viewing option, you can select the equal parameter or the non-equal parameter or all the parameter, and then you compare between them in this window. You can also check or select the activated or deactivated parameter. Also from display filter here, you can select different analog or IOs, analog or digital inputs. You can hide or show the read-only parameter. So let's see here. So you can save the result as user-defined list, user value list, an executable file. And you can print result to PDF or a hard copy. In next video, we'll compare two different axes on the same project. Thank you for watching. So we'll compare two different axes on the same project. I'll create other axes here. Okay, so as you can see, I created other axes here. So we have 1 and 2. So let's just make it here. Just call this A, this B. Okay, so if you go to the expert list, you see the parameter comparison here. So the difference between this one and then the object comparison on the other one. Here we go directly to the object. So in this case, I have the control unit as the object selected, and then I went to the expert list. I click on the comparison. So it will show me here to compare the unit A with its factory setting, compare unit A with the control B or unit B. So I click here. And same filtering we have on the other one. You can select the equal, non-equal. You can filter also for only the writable parameter, so the parameter that get loaded to the drive. And then if I compare with B, will show me parameter comparison between A, factory setting for A, and then with B. So if I would have like an online project right now, will show me the parameter comparison with the online project as well. So now that I have two axes, if I go to the object comparison, and then I go open again, and then from the open project. So as you can see, if I selected B, I can compare it with A, and the other way. The only difference is I can compare with factory setting in here. Thank you for watching.